time I take a ride, I feel alive with nowhere to go. I'm the king of the road, you're the queen of my throne.
Hi guys, welcome to a brand new video. So today we're going to show you something absolutely crazy and definitely never before seen on our channel. So over here we have the X5 M50D. For those of you who think this is a custom spec, it's really not. If you look closely, it's actually the PPF on this car that has started to crack, lift up, and it most probably damaged the paint underneath. And that is a classic example of when you use someone who says, I can do it cheaper. So rather use someone who is reliable, and that is what this car is here for. We're going to take off all the PPF piece by piece and do a 3-stage paint correction to get the paint looking good as new. So after a long week and a timely process, we finally removed the PPF piece by piece as well as all the glue. So as you guys can see, this car has some really deep scratches all over. We need to do a proper 3-stage paint correction to get that fixed up. So the first stage, the sanding process.
Riding high day and night, satisfied wherever we roam. You're the star of the show, you shimmer like gold. Now baby, let's ride, we got nothing but time. You get all the reaction, you're the main attraction. It's no surprise, gotta like your style. You're the perfect distraction, you're the main attraction.
So the sanding is done now, which was the first stage of the 3-stage paint correction. And we're now moving on to the second stage, where you will be polishing the car with our abrasive compounds.
Roaming through the city like the track of time, the freedom is mine. Riding the lines, you know how I like it, yeah. Pedal to the metal, I'm the soldier, we can take it for miles and let it unwind, just how I like it, yeah. Now baby, let's ride, we got nothing but time. You get all the reaction, you're the main attraction. It's no surprise, gotta like your style.
So we're now moving to the final stage, which is refining the paint, making it super glossy and completing the entire paint correction process. The car has now been moved into the bay and it's been prepped, and since we are a Geon certified detailer, we're now going to apply the Geon ceramic coating over the entire car.
Now baby, let's ride. Now baby, let's ride.
The moment we've all been waiting for. The X5 is finally done, and what a transformation it is. This has definitely been the most challenging project we've ever done, and after a lengthy process it looks totally different and brand new, and honestly I don't even think the customers are going to recognize their own car. Just to give you guys a recap, we had to remove all the cracked PPF piece by piece by hand, and we also had to remove all the glue. We also did a full interior detail, a 3-stage paint correction, and then we also sprayed the bonnet and the bumper. And then lastly, we ceramic coated the entire car.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
If you guys enjoyed watching this transformation, please support us by smashing that like button and remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of any of our future videos. See you in the next one.